Hi guys, good evening, welcome back to our channel. And yes, you heard that right, it is evening. It is currently 9:52 at night and I just put Paris to bed and Daddy is also now asleep, but I thought I'm gonna come here and film a video. So for tonight's video guys, I'm going to do a haul, and it's a house decor haul guys. So if you are interested to see, please keep on watching. So last night guys, Daddy and I and Paris, we went to IKEA to grab some stuff for our new place, and then on my lunch break today I went to KMART to grab some more stuff. So I would like to start using them all guys. That's why I'm here now even if it's late, because I want to show them to you before I start using them. So let us start with, I think I'm going to start with the stuff that we got from IKEA guys. First thing first, we have these throw for the couch, and this is the name guys. I'm so sorry, like I already lost the receipt, so I won't be able to tell you how much exactly, but on the top of my head I think this one is for $30. So we just bought this one to put on top of the couch guys. I think it looks really cool. And then, oh guys, I have so many stuff in here. Actually I'm filming in my, beauty room and Paris's room. So we actually joined it together, Paris's and my stuff. Anyways, we are going to do another video for that, so stay tuned. The second one that I got guys is this rug, just this white rug guys, that I can put in here, exactly here where I'm standing, because it's where my chair for my vanity, so I can put that under there. It looks really cute. If I'm not mistaken, I got that one for 13 Australian dollars. And then the next one that we got from IKEA is this white rug, another white rug again. So I am planning to put it under the bed. So in our master's bedroom guys, I would like to put it there. So that's the one. And guys, this is not expensive, like it was only for $15, so it wasn't bad at all. It's really, I think that the quality is really good as well, so I think it's really worth more than $15 actually. And then while we were there, we grabbed this one for our toilet. So this is not in white, it's a grey color, because it's going to the toilet guys, and I think this will look nice. So that's what it looks like. I'm pretty sure this one is also for $15 guys. So again, it's very fluffy. See? Oh, so soft. And then the next one that we've got from there, let me just see here. So we've got this extension, wire extension, is that how you say it? It's actually a pack of two. Daddy's using the other one already, but this one is for, oh god, sorry guys, I can't remember anymore, but it was pretty cheap, the two of these. Just put that away so we can start using them. And then I was looking for kids hanger for Paris's wardrobe guys. There's one like the wooden one, it looks really nice, but it was expensive, so Daddy said no brainer, just choose the cheaper one, because no one's gonna see it anyways, and it's pretty good, you know what I mean. We got this for $2. How many? 2, 4, 6, 8 hangers for $2, so it was really good deal. And then the next one that we got from IKEA is this the brush and the thingy for the toilet guys. Yeah, that's the one. See, I haven't opened it yet because I waited to show it to you, but that's what it looks like. That one there. And I think we're down to the last one that we've got from IKEA, guys, and this is this basket. I am hoping, and I'm afraid, actually I'm afraid, I'm just looking at it now. As you can see the plant there, guys, I'm trying to use this one for that, so the pot looks really cute and nice. But I don't think it fits. I think it's a miss, guys. Let's give this a try. It's too small. It doesn't look. It doesn't look very nice, guys. It's a bit small. Anyways, I'm going to fix that later on. So, oh, I think we went dark. Okay, so let's keep moving. So the basket was the last item, I reckon, that we bought from IKEA. So let's move on to the one that I bought from KMART. So mostly, guys, are cushions. So the first cushion that I got from there, guys, is this one. So it's grey color. We had this one from our old place, guys, and it was really old already, so we chucked that away. So I replaced it because it's, yeah, I really like this color, guys. So I got this one for $15. And then the next cushion is this one. So how cute is this, guys? This one is only for $8. So guys, if you are looking for some, yeah, cushion, like cute round pink cushion, you definitely should check out KMART, guys. They really have cute stuff there, and they're really affordable as well. And then the third one, I'm sorry guys, these rectangle shape cushion, and I love that, you know, it's got the frill thing going on. And this one I got for $8 as well. So yeah, that's the one. I think they're gonna look so cool on the couch. And then the last cushion that I got, guys, is this round one in beige color. So as you can see, that's what it looks like, guys. So see the color combination? I think it's so cute. I can't wait to start using them, guys. Now that I've shown them to you, I'm gonna start using them. And then the next one is, okay, so this white basket storage. I'm hoping that it's going to fit in Paris's drawer. So I want to put it, so where I hang Paris's clothes, there's still space under it. So I'm hoping to put this in there and can store any of her clothes or shoes or anything like that. Just to increase the space, guys, you know what I mean? But yeah, this one I believe was $8, I think. It wasn't expensive. And then the next one that I got from there, oh, okay. So the one that I showed you before, the rug for the toilet, well, I forgot to get the rug for the bathroom. So I got one from KMART, also in grey, so it matches that one. So it looks like that. And apologies, I can't remember how much it is. I'm sorry, but definitely not over $20, guys. That's the one. And also, look at this thing. It's so cute. So it's just like a tin basket, grey color with the white writing there. It's for pegs. So para kung manghay-hay ka, guys, ta cute kayo mo sudlanan, guys. Aron ma-kuan ka, ma-motivate ka pag panghay-hay. So that's the one. I believe this one was for something around $9, I think. That's the one. It's so cute. And to pair with this one, I bought this one. So this is a washing powder, and it says scoop inside. So there's a scoop inside it. I haven't opened it yet to check. Oh, I really hope that the scoop is in there, because I can't hear some noise. But yeah, this one is around maybe $12, guys, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, how cute this is going to be. You know, if I put them side by side in the laundry area. Motivate si ko pagpanlaba, guys. Wala na si tita manlaba. So that's the one. And then I got this one, a toothbrush holder. So we have an old one, guys, but I want to replace it with gray, because the one that we have, I think it's black, and I want it to match with the how do you call it, the rugs. So see, perfect combination, love plus you and me. And then the next one that I got, guys, is this one. I couldn't find the lid. There's the lid for this, guys. Actually, see, when you buy it, it says don't forget my lid. But yeah, I think this one was $4, and I bought this one just for a trial, because I didn't bring like a measuring tape or anything like that when I went to KMART. This is for the drawer in the bathroom. It's just because it's a bit old now, and I don't want to see it really, so I'd like to keep it in there so I can put stuff in here and I don't need to see the old, you know, wood. So it's just on top. Fingers crossed it fits, guys. If it fits, then I have to buy, I think, 2 more to use for the other drawers. But yeah, that's the one. And then I think we're down to the last item, guys, which is this one. Ding, ding, ding. So this is children's storage unit. So that's what it looks like in the photo, guys, if I assemble it. So I bought this one because, guys, Paris's toys are just everywhere, like literally everywhere. She got so many toys. She's very spoiled, like, you know, everyone just want to give her toys, guys. And I would like to, you know, keep them tidy and look nice, so, you know, it doesn't look like it's everywhere on the floor. It looks like messy sometimes, guys. So I decided to buy this one. I'm pretty sure this was for $26, where that is really cheap compared to the other places, guys, that I looked at before. I think they had it for maybe, no, at least like 60, 80. So KMART, thank you for this. But yeah, so I'm going to assemble that tomorrow after work, guys. But oh, hang on, sorry, I'm so sorry, I still have a last one here, I forgot. So I bought a, like, how do you call it, a stainless steel rubbish bin, 3 liter. So I bought this one, guys, for here in my beauty room, because, you know, when I wash my face and I'm gonna apply some, you know, stuff on my face, I use like this. So I'm gonna show you now, like this one. So cotton pads, that's what I was trying to say. So I can put it in here and it keeps everything clean. So yeah, so I think that's about it, guys. That's what we bought. Let me know what's your favorite item from, you know, everything that I've shown you. I think for me, oh, I can't really choose, guys. So I can't blame you if you can't choose too. But yeah, if you have time, let me know which one you like the most. And stay tuned for more videos, because I'll be uploading more, guys. And I am nearly, I don't know, not even nearly, but I'm getting there with, you know, I'm decorating my beauty room, so I'm just giving you a sneak peek thing. So I've got plants up there. But thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and yeah, please give this a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family, guys. I would love you all on board, and I always appreciate you. So, you know, leave me a comment in the comment section below, guys. Just anything, you know, just let me know that you're watching. Yeah, so I'll see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.